the coach, baby. Back out here with my nigga Big Homie, man. He's showing me mad love. And I'ma crush y'all niggas on this YouTube shit. Don't get it twisted. I'm really that bull. I've been waiting for my turn. Cause my attitude's sort of like, fuck all of them. No, fuck all of it. Y'all gonna be the cause of him. No, the cause of it. My gat clapping like an audience. Unload, reload, as if I'm recording it. As if y'all can't see how sick the ball is. Chick said I'm ugly, but she still fuck me cause my chain's so gorgeous. And my pockets is enormous. I'm the best, take a rest. Not even the deaf gonna ignore this. Hot like a fever. You don't like me? I don't like you neither. Coach bag, full of black mags like I'm a deer. Y'all be on some other shit. I be on that other shit. Y'all stretching y'all necks. I be on another flip. You get your car fixed, I get another whip. Another whip, another flip, that means another trip. I got what you want if you need work. Get it how I get it, let's see if you can get this in reverse. Like I don't understand how y'all wanna come at me. Like I don't understand how you 50 and your jeans still baggy. I bag up the green, reload the clips, extra magazines and they fill to the tip. I'm the shit, y'all can't get enough of me. My flow killer, so a track is like a puff of me. Life is fabulous, so I don't really give a fuck. Die with your hair high, pussy, you can live and duck. Can't do what I can, I does what I does. That defines who I am, not who I was. I'm my own man. Try to play me, get surrounded by some shells like a whole clam. Get it how I get it, that's how I got it, how I got it. Iced out whistle, champagne Ramada. Asking me for change? Nada, nada. Still she give me brain better than she give a baby father. Y'all know I take this rap shit seriously, so I'm on my job. You click better get with us or get left behind. Who next in line for the action? I spit acid, Phil Jackson of this rap shit. I don't understand how y'all can hustle backwards. That's like buying cigarettes and can't afford the matches. My block pop like a mattress. Act static. We even got that expressway traffic. And automatics, SK, AK. Where you stand, you lay. Where you stay, we on our way. I'm on the block cause I need my pay. Fresh gear, long hair, but I ain't nowhere near gay. Pussy, I get that. But most of these pussies I had to aim a whole clip at. I'm so relaxed cause I'm sick with it. Niggas claim they in they bag till they ass is getting zipped in it. Coach, they know my lingo. Quick to let them things go and flip them chips as if we playing bingo. I'm getting money, stop asking for them singles. Unless you want one coming from this eagle. Don't worry about what he do or him do. Till this dot on his head got him looking like a Hindu. I need to do what men do. I'm hot, I'm writing so hard I break the lead inside the pencil. On this mic, I'm invincible. I draw the picture, you would think I went to the Art Institute. Huh? That's throwaway shit, dog. That's throwaway shit. I need to